Okay. Okay, let's see what they talking about then. You guys, this is the biggest thing that was in the box.
Scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, also known as a buster. She ain't got no money in the bank.
Take a minute, girl, come sit down and tell us what's been happening.
Hey divas, it's your girl Desiree and I'm back with another video. Hey. So how have you guys been? How is spring? So I'm trying to stay very positive right now, even though everything's going on, but it's really hard to be serious about saying how are you guys, you know. But I hope this video gives you some ease about everything, maybe take your mind off of what's going on, and this will definitely take my mind off of it because I love getting subscription boxes like this. So if you're not already subscribed, definitely click that subscribe button and that bell button, that all button, so YouTube can let you know when I post a new video. And definitely give this a thumbs up if you guys love unboxing videos, because I know I do. And definitely comment down below if you guys ever had any Causeboxes or even any other kind of lifestyle boxes, or just any ones that you actually recommend, because I would love to learn about some new ones, because there are so many out there. But I'm done talking, let's get into this video because I'm ready to open this. So we are going to be opening up the 2020 spring Causebox, you guys. I am so excited. And isn't this packaging like so cute? Like, if this doesn't scream spring, I don't know what does. But I love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just to tell you guys what Causebox is, if you guys never heard of it. So Causebox is a seasonal quarterly subscription box. It is $54.95 a season, or you can sign up for their annual membership, which you save, I think, $20. Yeah, $20. I'm currently still doing quarterly because I don't mind doing that. So this box is a lifestyle box. You receive socially conscious creations of full-size lifestyle products. You can receive 6 to 8 ethical, sustainable made products, beautifully designed box. My box is filled with 7 full-size items, and so is everybody else's, and the total value is over $250. Like, what? If I have a link for you guys, I will make sure I put it down below, so definitely don't forget to click that and click. Definitely don't forget to look in the description box below. Every season there is always an artist. The artist is Tatiana Boyko. She's a Spanish-Russian artist currently residing in London. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up this box. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, this artist did her thing. Okay, that's all I gotta say. So I always keep the boxes because they're really cute for storage or whatever else you want to make with the box. And, oops, stay open. Stay open. So in every box, it comes with this booklet. Has everything that's in this box, and it also has a story behind every product. They state that their mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. So let's just go ahead and get into this, okay? So the first that I see before opening this up is, oh, okay, ooh, refer a friend. So I will have a link down below for you guys to get $10 off. And of course I do earn a credit because that's kind of how referrals work, you know. I see here is this postcard. So it is by the same artist. Look how beautiful that is. So I actually seen another video that someone was unboxing this, and she puts it like in a picture frame or something like that and just puts it around her room. I might start doing that with these postcards because this isn't my first box that I've gotten. I've gotten about like, what, 3 or 4 of them. Is this Eyelash Boost Serum and also a volume mascara. Okay, so this is by Dine. This is a volumizing mascara and an amino acid enhanced eyelash and brow boosting serum. This duo is vegan, cruelty free, and sustainably packaged. Wow, and this values $46. Like, what? Okay. I am trying to grow out my eyebrows. Definitely like the tips, because I kind of had to fill that in for this video, or just like any other day that I had to fill it in. I wasn't blessed with that, but I was blessed with other things, so I'm not ungrateful. But it would have been nice. It would have been nice, you know? It says this is a non-irritating lash treatment that nourishes, conditions, and improves the appearance of sparse lashes. Ooh wee wee. If you are an annual member, you did get a choice of this eye duo, the super eye duo, or a layered gem necklace. I'm not mad that I got this because I do have enough necklaces that I don't really wear that many. I just wear them for you guys. I don't really wear them out, except my one necklace that I absolutely love, and it's like my everyday necklace. I think y'all got like y'all everyday necklace, and yeah. Can't wait to try this out. The next item that I see is this Reparative eye cream. So this is by Earth Harbor. Okay, it's a seaweed collagen and blue tansy. This Reparative eye cream is a soothing and firming all-natural iridescent eye cream. A combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, and plant oils help replenish and restore the skin around the eyes. I was actually in a need for another eye cream because I've been trying to find a good one. Now, if it starts burning or tingling underneath your eyes, that means that it's too harsh, because that is a very delicate area. So just listen to what your skin is saying, okay? Listen to your body, like they always say, listen to your own body. So this values for $34. Oh. It's a beautiful green color, I'll tell you that. Let's just see how this consistency is. Okay, of course for eye cream, you only need a little bit and it'll go a long way, okay? But let's just see. So far I like it. Of course, this is not my under eyes, but I have, you know, you get what I mean. Okay, so it looks like you kind of have to blend it in quite a bit, or maybe I need to shake it up first. I should probably shake it up first. Let me see. Okay, well, I guess shake it up a teeny bit, a little bit, and then apply it. After rubbing it in a little bit or quite a bit, there we go, and it feels good. It has that smell of the seaweed. I'm not mad about the smell or anything. It's just I kind of wish that it blended in more effortlessly, you know? Because you are putting it under your under eyes, so you do want it to be able to just melt in the skin. But it does say gently dab a small pea-sized amount under your eyes and brow bones until well absorbed. Ooh, okay, so the next item that I see here is this Calm Mood Mist. So this is by Cardea, AuSet. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is a mood mist that does it all. Okay, it's all natural and aromatherapeutic. Can be used as an aid for focus, a support for sleep, a body spray, and everything in between. Okay. Okay, let's see what they talking about then. You know, it's kind of like those oils and whatever else that, you know, kind of raises up, so you kind of got to shake it. Let's go ahead and shake this. This is definitely a glass. I like it. Let's go ahead and smell this. It says, in the spirit of all things good. I can't, how do I explain this smell? No one likes chemicals. We made this product as natural as possible, so separation will occur. That explains it. Shake well before use. That explains it. But let's go ahead and spray this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I mean, the smell is okay. The first ingredient is water, good. The second one is witch hazel. The third is lavender. Okay, that's what I smell. That's the reason why I'm just like not a fan of it. But I see that they have bergamots, frankincense, I'll still use it because I have it, but if I definitely had another choice to pick, I would have picked something else. And if I didn't let you guys know, this is $30. So this right here is a sustainable grocery starter kit. It has a set of 5 100% cotton. So this is like the bags that you take to go grocery shopping in. Instead of taking the bags home, you just put your groceries in here. And this is by Artisan Direct. These are a set of 5 mesh and muslin bags for sustainably grocery shopping, made by a team of artisans in Jaipur, India, ready to replace single-use plastic produce and grain bags. So we got these type of bags, these type of bags. Okay, like what would you put in differently than in this one? I'm not sure yet. Somebody's video, but I forgot what they said. And those run for $22. So what we have here, I'm pretty sure a lot of people already know what this is. This is a pencil box. Oh, my bad. Stackable pencil box. This is by Go. This is a to-go container with 2 compartments and built-in cutlery. Sustainably replaces single-use plastic alternatives and donates to feed the children. That's amazing. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why I love Causebox, because they always give back, or they try to make sure that the products that you do get in the box are eco-friendly. Love it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you don't want to throw this away right here. You're actually going to want to keep this that I saw. So when you open this up, you do get 3 of these. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get it. Okay, good enough. All right, so when you open this up, it does come with this compartment, and then you can also put some down here. So you can make it into just one of them. And go ahead and put this around it so it can. So this runs for $29. So the next thing that I got that I'm very excited about is this wellness planner. So again, if you're an annual member, the other choice was a wild and free bandana. So I am definitely excited I got this because I've always wanted something that I could put my goals down. That's what I've really wanted in a planner. I love my other planner. So you can be able to put your goals, your gratitude, your mood, sleep, meals, and even fitness. This is a 13-week wellness planner, and it also states you can achieve more and live better through radical self-care. So you guys, self-care is key, definitely right now. Oh, and I might be having a self-care video coming out soon, so get excited, okay? This is a thoughtfully designed and developed planner for self-reflection, intention setting, and powerfully simple self-care. This values for $30. So let's go ahead and just look inside. Oh, okay, so as you guys can see here, it has a self-care assessment. Ooh, okay. Has a physical, emotional, social, spiritual, and blockers. What prevents me from doing more self-care? I love that. Ooh, build a self-care map. Let's see what else. Monthly intentions, monthly reviews. Okay, week of blah blah blah, and personals to do. I love keeping track of everything. I feel like that is key, honestly, just to be able to see results. I mean, if you're not writing nothing down, you don't really know if anything's improving or not. So you have to write it down. So I am ecstatic, you guys. So the last item that we have in this box, drum roll please. You guys, this is the biggest thing that was in the box. I am super excited about this. Okay, so this is a crossbody black bag. So if you were an annual member, you got a choice of the tan and the beige. I'm actually really excited that they gave me the black one. Oh my gosh, yes, your girl need a new bag and they just came in clutch. So this is Zoe Crossbody. This is by Pixie Mood. It is a timeless everyday crossbody with a detachable strap. Can be styled up or down, made to last, out of premium vegan leather. Okay, so the strap is in here that I can take out and show you guys. So this right here is the strap that you can attach to the side of this. So it does look like you get at least 2 compartments. You can put compartments where there's a zipper and even inside. Look at that. The zipper one and then right there. Beautiful. Even right here. Love that. Let's see. Oh, okay. So they said, thank you for making the world beautiful by choosing cruelty free. Awesome. Okay. And okay, they gave me a 15% off my next purchase at pixiemood.com. And this values for $75, you guys. Like, what? Okay, Causebox, y'all did it. Y'all came with the self-care planner. Y'all came with a crossbody bag. Y'all came in with some mascara, even an eye serum and eyebrow serum. So I just totaled up everything that was in my box, you guys, and oh my gosh. So the total value of my box was $266. You guys, I only spent $54.95 on this. And of course, I will have a link down below where y'all can save $10 off your first box. But just getting that much of a value in the box is amazing. So if you guys are interested in this box, definitely look in that description box for that link that'll have $10 off for you. Definitely don't forget to comment down below your favorite item, or if you ever got it, let me know your experience. Also, if you guys have any other lifestyle box or any other boxes that's just out there, leave it in the comments so I can see it and check it out, okay? Even if you have a referral link, put that down, girl. Like, go ahead. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I had fun doing it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Give this a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that they should rank my video up more and it helps me out. And definitely don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.